Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Here is the part 8 of the must try AI tools in Canva. Today I will show you the replace background, which is a pretty cool AI stuff in the Canva where we can change the background with few words as a prompt and the system generate a nice replace background for us. And here I just blend it a bit. Actually, technically not blended, just looks a bit to show what is the difference between the two pictures. Here, I just continue my previous project. We're just selecting the image and go into the apps, searching for the replace background. Just click on it, and we just have to type here, nice sunny seaside, and click on replace, and the system will generate the new images for us. It's been transforming your image, so the system generate a same image, replacing the background as we wish. It's a very pretty cool feature. As we can see, we have 10 tokens per day, and this refresh every day, so we can generate 10 images per day. I still have 7 due to I already generated 3, so I think it's a pretty cool feature. Here is the final outcome. I think it looks really nice. I really like it. Hope you also like it. If you really like the tutorial, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment if you're struggling anything in Canva or any AI tools, or you just have any suggestion. And please also visit my Facebook page. You can find the link in the description, where you can find lots of tutorials, not only from me, also from other Canva experts. Plus, you can find lots of text to image generation prompts for different applications. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.